think that's it. It's only supposed to be a 30 seconds, so. Is that okay?
Yep.
Actually, I guess there's not much I can do about it. I think the U might be missing a little piece of it, so it's going to look like that. Sorry, bud. That's just such a large bit, man. It's hard to get it at times. Sorry, can you see all right?
Yeah.
I like the look of the small cap.
Well, I don't mind like that.
Fucking tip everywhere, right? That's how it keeps the bit cool, though. Yeah. Worst comes to worst, you don't like this depth? I've got some like enamel plastic we could always pull it.